At FCCPS, all students learn to navigate the digital world. We start by giving all learners access to appropriate digital devices, to include iPads and MacBooks. Digital devices are now ubiquitous to learning at FCCPS. Each of our schools prioritizes ensuring students have the knowledge to use the devices properly and learn the importance of balance.
Today was the first lesson this year for talking about digital footprints, that everything they do on their computers, every single thing, the website they go to, everything leaves a footprint that never ever goes away. Look, I'm getting a thumbs up over here.
At Mount Daniel, even our youngest students are learning how to use technology appropriately during their technology class with Mr. D.
I think it's really important that they realize that they have to think before they click, and that they have to go to websites that are appropriate for them and for their age.
At Oak Street, to support student learning, digital technology usage increases in very purposeful ways.
Kind of at the beginning of the year, focus around computer care, around making sure that we are staying on assigned websites.
Part of the OS Encore includes technology class with Megan Torpy.
That, and as we go deeper into the year, not sharing passwords, staying on assigned websites, talking to parents or a caregiver or an adult in charge if anything makes them feel unsafe or unsure.
Be careful. You have to be very careful.
At Mary Ellen Henderson, the digital literacy learning continues.
There are a lot of scams online. There are a lot of traps and stuff. You have to think it all through, read it all.
Leah Partridge supports the organization and lesson creation for all digital literacy lessons at Mary Ellen Henderson.
So far this year focused on looking at how we spend our time digitally, also looking at how to conduct searches online.
As our middle school students begin to navigate the internet and social networks, they are surrounded by supports.
It's mainly the teachers. Whatever we've done, they've usually done before, so that we can do it, and so they understand how to do it best.
Don't open emails that you don't know who they're from. Don't just go surfing on the web. Like, ooh, I'm just going to search this random thing up and see what happens.
Just don't be on it all the time. It's really addictive. It's not good for your mental health.
And many of the digital literacy lessons do not rely on technology usage.
Teachers are also being really intentional this year about taking screen breaks and taking time to do activities that are not necessarily digital on-screen time, and that helps teach our students what balance looks like.
And at Meridian High School.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome everyone.
Jared Peet is our go-to guy for when teachers address digital literacy topics at Meridian.
So Meridian's approach to dealing with digital literacy is twofold. One, we have embedded digital literacy in our core content classes, and we also embedded into some of our stable group lessons.
As our high school students use technology in every class, several conversations naturally happen on how to stay balanced. Also, with the investment of the new cyber civics curriculum, teachers can now share lessons that support information literacy during stable group lessons.
How do we identify misinformation, for example, as well as how do we stop ourselves from spreading misinformation? You also really try to highlight the idea of curating your social media presence and thinking about how you can filter out negative influences through social media.
So from the first day of school right through graduation,
It's on the bottom.
FCCPS is committed to helping our students take ownership of their digital lives, ensuring they have the digital citizenship and literacy skills to participate fully in their communities.
What can you find on the index?
And make smart choices online.
Grabbing a worksheet, grabbing a pen and a pencil.
And in life.
We are ready to do it. We're ready to do it.